Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to set up Shopify email marketing campaign in 2024. So today we're going to talk or to walk you through the process of setting up an email marketing campaign using Shopify in 2024. Of course, email marketing is a powerful tool to engage your customers, drive sales, and even build a brand loyalty. So let's explore the steps to create an effective email marketing campaign that resonates with your audience. So let's get started.
Make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience.
First, you'll need to go and access your Shopify admin panel. To do so, go and open a browser. Here I'm using Brave. You can use whatever you want. Go to the URL section. Basically, just type shopify.com and hit the enter button. This should take you to the home screen or main screen. Once you're there, click on login if you have an account, or start free trial to create an account. You can use Google if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating or even logging into your account. If you just created your account, you'll have to go and create a store for you. The steps will be easier. You can do it by your own. If you don't want to go through it, you can watch a video that's already made about it. So once you are here, as you can see, you'll find yourself on the admin panel already. So what you'll have to do basically is simply go and navigate into marketing, where you'll find that, as you can see on this left panel. Go and click on marketing. Once you click on it, you'll find yourself here. As you can see, here you can find marketing, like the analytics of it, top marketing channels, marketing apps if you want to add any marketing app as an example. And of course, below this marketing, you'll find the campaign sections. Here, you'll be able to find all the campaigns that you created and see how it's working. But of course, we'll just go and click back on marketing. Here, we will be able, of course, to go and click on create a campaign, as example at the top right corner. And once you click on create a campaign, as you can see, build your campaign by adding marketing activity. So what do you want? Do you want to create a campaign depending on ads, on email, like social posts or SMS? As we said, we would like to set up some Shopify email marketing campaign. So we'll choose email. For emails, as example, we have the Shopify email. So 10,000 free email per month, $1 per 1,000 additional emails, and campaigns created emails to share promotion and updates with customers. So you can simply go and click on that as an example. Once you click on it, you should be taken to the Shopify store. And there, of course, let me just wait for it a little bit. So, or it should install maybe automatically. Let's see if they will take us to the store where we'll be able to click on install. It will install automatically. So yeah, it seems like it's installed automatically. And as you can see here, it's time to set up our email marketing. Starting by selecting a logo. So for me, I'll just choose something random like this one. Store name, I'll just name it like Omics. Why not? And of course, typography. Which one do you want to choose, like the fonts? An example, you can try various stuff and choose the one that suits your needs. And here it's time to choose the color for the text. For the button links, maybe as example, you want to change it. Maybe I'll just put it blue. I'll put it like a darker blue, like this one. And buttons and label outlines, of course, you can change that also to whatever you want. So example, I'll just make it maybe black. Okay, so I'll make it, I'll let it white so it will be shown as example. Or of course, you can change it to whatever you want as example. So maybe, I don't know, this one. So I'll let the design on you. And of course, like the background. So what color do you want the background to be? Probably white, or I don't want it to be that white because I don't like white that much. So I'll choose gray. And of course, for background too, I'll choose like maybe gray also, or as example, we'll try another color. Okay, this is not a good color. Yeah, maybe this one. Just let it like darker a little bit. That should be it. And of course, for the borders, you can choose whatever suits you. So I'll choose like gray also. For the footer, of course, I don't know, choose like something like that. Or maybe you can choose like green or blue. I don't know. Yeah, blue will suit that links. I'll put it on black, the link. And the background, of course, I will put it, I don't know, do something random here. So I'll just let it white as it is. And yeah, as you can see, everything looks good in here. Of course, this is going to be the preview. And simply just go here and click on save. Once I saved, as you can see, the branding is saved. Now we can go to the next, of course, step. Here, it's time to choose the templates. You can choose the templates that you want, as example, depending on whatever you choose. Maybe as example, I'll just choose this one, back in stock. So depending on the marketing that you choose, of course, there's a new collection option, there's a product teaser, upcoming sale. I'll just do back in stock. As you can see how it's going to look like, the whole template thing. Simply click on select. Once you do so, just wait and load the email. As example here, you can send it to who? All subscribers, subjects, as example, new stock and preview text. Make sure, as example, to get it before it's end. So before it's end, as an example. So and I'll just put it like that. Of course, if you don't know what subject you should put in it, of course you can even use AI. You can choose the tone of voice like persuasive, playful, supportive, expert, etc., or even custom, and enter your tone of voice, whatever you want. So, example, just choose playful. Click on try again. Example, get suggestion. Example, just choose this one. Yeah, why not? So from, of course, it's verified. You can verify the sender email. Example, click on it to verify it if you want to. And if you don't want to, of course, you don't have to. So I'll just go back to wherever I was doing. And yeah, as example, it should be all good. Of course, you can add multiple sections if you want, like section for image, divider, product, if you want to choose a product there, and express checkout, multi-column. As you can see, a lot of things that you can add. For me, I'll not add anything here. And seems all good. As example, nothing changed. Of course, for me, I have no subscribers, so I'll not be able to send it to a specific one. And I even will not be able to do it, of course, unless I upgrade my plan. So make sure to upgrade the plan to do it. Of course, you can here click on send tests. You can send it to a specific email address. You can send it to yourself to test it out. And you should be good to go. Of course, I will not be able to do it. Why? Because your store is blocked and cannot send email. Of course, because like I'm on the free plan. Of course, you can preview it on the desktop and even mobile, how it's going to look on mobile also. And yeah, that should be it. So you can review it. If all good, send test, then you'll be able to start sending it to whatever you want. And of course, you can even save it as a template if you want to. So this is going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.